Good morning. If you're watching this, it means one thing. You didn't quit yesterday, and you are not a quitter. And that already puts you ahead of most people. But today is different. Day one is easy. Day one has energy. Day one has got excitement. Day two has got honesty. Day two is when the body speaks. Day two is when excuses whisper. Day two is when people start negotiating. And that's why day two matters more than day one ever will. Let me tell you what usually happens on day two. You wake up and you don't feel the same fire. You start thinking, let me just rest today. I'll go harder tomorrow. I already tried yesterday. Nothing dramatic, nothing obvious, just small compromises. And here is the dangerous part. They sound reasonable. That's why day two kills more dreams than failure ever will. Not because people can't do it, but because they hesitate. Day two is where motivation hands over control to discipline. And most people were never trained for that handover. Let me be clear with you. Comfort feels good today, but it steals from your future. That tension you feel this morning, that heaviness, that resistance, that's not a sign to stop. That's proof you are doing something different. Growth does not announce itself with excitement. It shows up disguised as discomfort. Executors understand this. Excuse makers don't. People don't quit because the task is impossible. They quit because they expected motivation to last. They thought change would feel good. They confused excitement with commitment. But commitment is quiet. Commitment is boring. Commitment doesn't clap for you. Commitment just shows up. And day two asks a hard question. Will you show up without applause? Here is what I want you to hear carefully. The most dangerous conversation you ever have are the ones you have with yourself. I'll start later. I deserve a break. Just today won't matter. That's negotiation. And negotiation kills execution. Executors don't negotiate. They execute first and feel later. You don't wait to feel ready. You move and readiness follows. Today is not about doing more. Today is about deciding who you are. Are you the kind of person who starts strong and fades quietly? Or are you the kind of person who continues when nobody is watching? Because day two doesn't build results. Day two builds identity. And identity compounds faster than talent ever will. Here is your day two action today. Simple, clear, non-negotiable. Do the same execution you committed to, even if you don't feel like it. Same task, same standard, no shortcuts. No better than yesterday, not worse than yesterday, just done. That's execution. If you're still in, if you executed yesterday and you're committing again today, comment this word right now. Executing. No explanation, no story, no excuse, just executing. Because day two is where excuses start and executors continue. I'll see you tonight for the check-in. Success is truly do it yourself.